Yo, out here at a little track in Castlegar Model Racers Club. See how things go on an actual track. Should be fun. Here's the setup. Nice and sunny. This is Kevin. He created all this.
I'm Kevin Sukharov. This is our RC track. Kootenai Rodeo Grounds here in the Pass Creek Fall Fairgrounds. We're CMRC on Facebook. We do RC car racing out here in the Kootenays and try to bring an alternative activity to the area that doesn't have to do necessarily with sports and can be a little bit cheaper to be able to have a good family enjoyable time out in the sun.
Hell yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we got a full bore timekeeping system. These are transponders here. This is a decoder. This laptop in my system here is able to track everybody's laptop and stuff like that when we are racing. But yeah, hopefully we're going to be able to grow and have more of this going on in the future.
Yeah, no, I'm stoked. My first time checking it out, so this is cool. This will be fun. This is tricky business. Time to pull out the Tekno, I think. I managed to make it around once, maybe twice without crashing. So I'm gonna call that a victory for now. And let's see about the Tekno. Flip me over. I'm gonna let him go. So good. Fun, eh? It's mayhem. It's so fun. Oh man, good times. This is super fun. It's really good practice. Truck's doing pretty good. Good stuff. Are you ready for a race?